Ew. Happy New Year. Welcome to my first video of 2019. Let's just make this our best year yet, and I'm gonna leave it at that. So today I thought it was only right to start off the new year by doing your guys' favorite video, which is anything involving me being high and f***ed up. In 2018 I found my calling, and that was doing these high videos because you guys love them, and I love doing them because like I had no idea that my drunk versus high video was gonna blow up like that and get me 30,000 more subscribers. So thank you guys so much for loving my foolishness. Anyway, so I thought I would kick off 2018 with another high makeup video, and this time I wanted to do some kind of Fenty Beauty Rihanna-Inspired tutorial because I am bootleg Rihanna. I'm getting higher every minute, dear God. You know how when you first smoke a joint and then you're like high and then you get more high? Like it'll just hit you out of nowhere and the high just keeps rising. Okay, we're doing this. So anyway, I have absolutely no idea what look I'm gonna do. We're gonna be winging it today, literally, because I do know that I wanna do some type of purple wing, which is why I have on all these like bluish purple vibes going on right now, because I wanna do something with purple. And I know, hold up. In terms of makeup, I really love glitter. I can't just do a matte look. I just always have to add some glitter somewhere. So today we're gonna be focusing on the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb. This is my life. It reminds me like a pearl in a clam, you know? The texture is like squishy almost. It's hard to explain, but it's like a squishy kind of texture. And you just kind of rub your hands or a brush in it, and then it has like the most gorgeous glittery glow ever. I realized that I talk way too much in my intro, so I'm gonna just dive into it. We're gonna start with the one and only Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Matte Foundation. She is in the shade 330. This is my favorite foundation of 2018. I will say that it's kind of scary to put on because it dries so fast. So as soon as you put it on, you need to like blend it out. So I like to do one side at a time because it's literally a race against time, and if you don't blend it out before it starts drying, it'll be all patchy and ugly. I'm not playing these games and don't want to look crazy. Ugh, just so much better. I honestly can't see what I'm doing that well because I'm using the viewfinder, so that's smart. All right, I'm gonna start blending this up and around. Now we just gotta hit this forehead. Shout out to Rihanna for repping the big-headed gang. Big foreheads make the world go round. It's funny because in like every time I do one of these like high makeup challenges or whatever, people always comment like, oh, like I do this every day. And I'm like, I don't. Like I can't do my makeup when I'm high in normal situations because one, it takes me forever. Two, I'm like such a perfectionist. And I just sit there and I find every single little thing wrong, and it's not fun. It takes me so long to do my makeup when I'm high, and it just feels all heavy and shit on my face. I just hate it. So long story short, no, I basically never do this except for during these videos. So you guys are always in for a real treat. Next, I'm just gonna conceal a little bit. I wish I had the Fenty Beauty concealer, but I don't have it yet. It comes out, I think, next week. So I'm just gonna use a crowd favorite, the LA Pro Girl, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes. Okay, hello? Can never tell when it's coming out, and then by the time you can tell it's coming out, it's too late because there's so much. Oh my God, this is so uneven. See, this is that high and then now I feel like I'm squeezing the entire bottle out at this point. I have no sense of how hard I'm squeezing this. Ew, there's like water coming out. I don't know what's going on right now. I just can't stop. Concealer brush. Okay, let me brush this out because I applied way too much. I have put way too much on my nose on accident. What the what? Just keep blending. It's all you can do at this point. Okay, nose snatched. Wow, I've never put this much concealer on my nose in my life, and it looks really weird. My powder brush is so far away. I'm so sad about it. I'm literally just about to use this highlight brush that's not even supposed to be used for powder and use that for powder because my real powder brush is like way too far away. Taking my Chanel translucent powder with this brush that is not a powder brush, but it's low-key doing it for me. This is the Morphe E61, and I just found another use for it. Hello. I like how this is applying powder. I only apply powder in my T-zone, so I actually don't need a big ass brush anyway, but this is like perfect for the T-zone. ASMR. Okay, we're gonna move on to the eyes now, finally. Should I zoom you guys in? That's good, I guess. Stop right there, slowly roll. Taking this Sigma The Dream palette by Beautyybird, and I'm gonna take the color Boo Boo, which is the transition shade in this palette. I'm just going to lightly apply that to my crease. And that was not lightly at all. I did not want it to be this heavy, but it's fine. I don't know why sis just had to pop up like that. Like, luckily it's blending out, so it's fine. Next, I'm gonna go for the wing. Okay, we're gonna take flight. Everybody put your seatbelts on. Gonna be taking the shade Apartment 512, which is this gorgeous purpley, bluey, kind of duochrome shade. And just, it very well might just be purple. But anyway, it's gorgeous, and we're gonna use it for our wing. I'm just gonna go for it. This little hair. Whew, I'm nervous, oh my God. All right, off to a questionable start. I probably should wet my brush, but definitely not getting up to do that. All I know is that this wing is getting bigger and bigger, but I guess this is where it wanted to go. Well, the real issue here is that I'm gonna have to make the other wing the exact same. Okay, we're gonna come back to that. We're just gonna move on to the other eye because I'm bored with this eye. First of all, I did my wing way higher than I usually do. I usually do it like out, more out instead of up. Okay, I think that's even. It's funny because I hate doing my makeup high, but whenever I do, I always choose these really elaborate looks. And I'm just like, why do I play myself like this? Smoky eye or something, just get it over with, girl. You wanna do all this galactic. So this wing, she's definitely a little thick over here. She's definitely thicker mama than over here. So we're gonna have to fix that. She don't have to eat some cornbread over here. Okay, next I'm gonna try something I've never tried before, and that's putting the Diamond Dew on my eyes, like using it for my eyeshadow. This is about to be the star of the show. So I'm gonna apply that over top of the purple. It just makes it so, like, such a pretty sparkly sheen. Yes. The best thing about this is that there's no fallout because it's not eyeshadow. So you can just go in. Cool. Awesome. Let me stop while I'm ahead. While we're here, let's just go ahead and apply some mascara, get that out of the way. This is the Chanel, what? Le Volume de Chanel? That's all I see on this. Anyway, it's this. I'll just show you guys the wand. Maybe that'll be helpful. It looks like corn on the cob. Ooh, all right. It did not come to play. All right, Chanel, slowly roll. Okay, seriously, my eyelashes have never looked better. I'm shook. Is it weird that I like my eyelashes way better on my left eye than my right eye? Is that a thing? Like, I know people have favorite eyebrows, but do people have favorite eyelashes? Like, which one? Okay, that's good, because we're gonna be applying lashes anyway, so I don't know why I even like did all that, but whatever. Lilly Lashes in Miami. Now I'm going back in with the Diamond Bomb, and I'm gonna apply it into my inner corner. Get it nice and poppin'. There's just so many ways you can use this, and I love it. I'm also gonna use it for my brow bone highlight. I told you I'm gonna apply it everywhere. Then I'm going back to that purple we used and putting a little bit on my lower lash line. Finally done with the eyes for now, I think. I think we're good. Let's zoom out. Let's finish strong. Let's finish strong. All right, next for bronzer, I'm taking my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. I use this a lot, clearly. Just gonna get in them cheeks. I never really contour. I just like apply bronzer and hope for the best. I definitely like try to chisel it out right here a little more, but who knows? Just out here grinding, blending. Do your arms ever hurt after you're done doing your makeup? Cause same. You just snatch my nose a little bit. Nothing crazy. Oh my god, I think I got snot on the brush. Whatever, it's all going to the same place. A little on the top, round it off. Don't know if that did anything at all. Now, oh, hold on. And then I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm using the Karity blush balm, and this is in Coral Kaboom. I love this because I love orangey blushes. So this has like the perfect shades. These two are blushes, and then this is a highlight. We're gonna do On Point and Point. I stopped using blush entirely in like 2017, and then kind of hit a comeback in 2018. But I feel like 2019, I'm gonna be using blush because it makes you look all youthful. Just so happy. I look like I'm alive. Now for the fun part, we're gonna go back to our Fenty Diamond Bomb. I'm gonna use this as my highlight. So I'm gonna just get some on my middle finger, sorry. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So cool. It's just such a cool formula. I really don't know how to describe it. I'm really stumped on that one, but hopefully y'all know what I mean. You just look dewy. A little on the nose. And of course, on the lips. Glowing. To finish up the lips, finally, we're gonna be using the infamous Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Fenty Glow. It's a little mini one, which is really cute. This was the first shade she came out with. She now has two other shades, the Diamond Milk and Fussy, but this one is the OG, AKA the best gloss ever. Ugh, it smells so good. It's so smooth, it's not sticky, it's just everything. And to top that off, you guessed it, we're applying some more Diamond Milk, and I'm just gonna like dab some on top of my lips, just to give it that extra glow. All right, so the face is done. Very last step, of course, is we're gonna use this, what it's actually mostly used for, which is on the body. So I'm just gonna apply some on my shoulders and my clavicle, chest, collarbones, pretty much all over my chest, but I also like to emphasize my collarbones, like that. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you stuck around, thank you. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Say what's up on Instagram. I'm at lifeoflanie on Instagram and Twitter. Come say hi, follow, I'll stalk you. It'll be a great time. Obviously subscribe if you're here, okay? It's really rude. Okay, bye.